morning, everybody. I am Dhruvika Srivastav, a White Hat Junior student, and have made this bounce ball game as part of my course. So, let me explain how it works. As you can see, this is the game screen. You can see this. This is the paddle which the ball has to hit. If we miss a ball, we lose a point, and if we hit the ball hits the paddle and goes in the net, we score a point. So now let's run. Here it oops, the opponent won because I missed a ball and the opponent scored a point. Let's reset. We can use these arrows to control the paddle. Look, it makes noises. Let's reset and run again. It makes a rubber sound when it hits the paddle and a wooden sound when it hits the walls. So now let's take a look at the code. So I have made when run, it should launch a new ball, and I've set the speed for the ball and the paddle. And then I have set the code for the arrows so that when we click on these arrows or use the keyboard arrows, the paddle goes left or right. And then I have made the code for when the ball hits the paddle, it should play a rubber sound and bounce the ball. When the ball hits the wall, it should play a wood sound and bounce the ball again. Then I made for the events when ball in goal, it should play a win point sound and score a point. And it will launch 2 new balls when a ball is in the goal. And when the ball misses the paddle, it plays a lose point sound and the opponent scores a point. Thank you. Have a nice day.